How to transfer files to cloud via Google Drive. Tap New and we can add folder. For example, Documents, Create, and in Documents we can add files. Click New, then File Upload or Folder Upload. For example, this file and this file will be uploaded. We can rename this file. For example, we can share this file, download, and remove. You have 15 GB free cloud storage in Google Drive for your account. If you have any questions, you can write me in comments. See other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.